If your penis isn't working, it could be a penile problem. But here's the thing. Many times, the penis is only the messenger trying to tell you there's something wrong somewhere else in the body. And you know what usually happens to messengers, right? So don't shoot the messenger, because this time the messenger is your penis. In this video, we'll take that message apart very carefully. The penis can talk in mysterious ways. I'm here to help you translate penis language into plain English. And if you want to read some of this information, sign up for my newsletter. Link in the description. I'm Dr. Stefan Buntrock, one of the most carpet urologists on YouTube. Now, there are a couple of penis conditions linked to infectious diseases, the skin, and so on. I just skipped that in this video and concentrate on the main penile feature, expansion. So basically, the penis only knows two states, expanded and non-expanded. That makes penile messages hard to read, because when it stops expanding, it never tells you why. But here's the interesting part. The penis is the most sensitive biotracker, better than any smartwatch, better than any app. When something breaks inside, the penis speaks, and it never lies. That is why the first failure matters. It is not just about performance, it is about health. This is not fear-mongering, it is science, clear science. The body has a voice. The penis carries it, loud, early, and direct. If you silence that voice, the cost can be fatal. Not today, not tomorrow, but soon. The messenger is not the problem. The message is. Now, here's where it gets serious. Science is clear. Men with fatty liver disease, they face up to 3 times the risk of erectile problems. 3 times. That's not a small detail. That's a signal. Diabetes, high cholesterol, blocked arteries, they all show up in the penis first. Why? Because the blood vessels down there are tiny, millimeters wide, super sensitive. When plaque starts to build up, when your arteries begin to clog, those little vessels are the first to fail, and the place they fail is in your erection. Here's something most people don't realize. Erectile dysfunction can appear 3 to 5 years before a major cardiac event. Think about that. Your penis speaks years before your heart attack. That's not fear-mongering, that's biology. Your body has its own warning system, and it uses the most honest part of you to deliver the news. Even sleep plays a role. Every night, while you're out, your body is running diagnostics. Nighttime erections are like a maintenance program. When they disappear, it's a red flag. Stress, poor sleep, bad habits, they all show up in the penis first. It's the canary in the coal mine. Early, loud, impossible to fake. So when erection fails, don't laugh it off. Don't ignore it. Don't shoot the messenger, because the messenger is trying to keep you alive. And by the way, guys, you don't want to choke the messenger before he even started talking. So no jelqing, please. I see the victims to YouTube jelqing advice in my office. Charismatic speakers, no doubt, many of them without a penis, some of them even without a real body. So they can't really relate to how it is to have one. But think of it. Would you take financial advice from someone who is broke just because he knows how to talk? Anyway, if you value real experience, subscribe to UroChannel. Fresh angles, unusual insights. This is where you get the original, not the copy. But let's focus on the message your penis sends you. When function is lost, most men blame the usual suspects. They say, it's stress, or I'm just getting old, or maybe I've been watching too much porn. And sure, those things can matter. Stress plays a role, age plays a role. But here's the truth. Most of the time, the penis is not lying. It's not weak. It's not lazy. It's warning you. So what do men do instead? They reach for quick fixes. Gas station pills with labels you can't pronounce, shady supplements pushed by influencers, one-click online prescriptions that never ask you a real question. And guess what? They might work for a night, maybe even for a week, but they won't fix the reason your erection failed in the first place. That's like turning off the smoke alarm while the house is burning. You silence the sound, but the fire keeps spreading. Not good, believe me. Here's the brutal truth. Erectile dysfunction is rarely a random event, especially with advancing age. It's not just about stress or porn or bad luck. In many men, it shows up years before the big crash, the heart attack, the stroke, the sudden burnout. In other words, the disease that finally forces attention. The penis is just earlier, louder, and honest. It's a messenger. So don't blame him. Don't shoot the messenger, because the message is much bigger than tonight. It could be about whether you still be here tomorrow. As always, this video is not medical advice, but it's the advice from a real-life doctor to take charge of your body. Switch on your radar and act when it happens. Because even if I don't know you in person, I care about you. You are my audience, and I'm a real doctor. It is my intention to empower you to live healthier and longer. I'm Dr. Stefan Buntrock, always copied, never matched.